Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we have infinix Smart 9 HD. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hard reset your infinix Smart 9 HD in case you forgot your pattern or password. For that, first of all you have to power off your phone with the power key. Then when your phone is powered off, you have to press and hold power and volume up key simultaneously. Now when the Infinix logo appear, release power key and keep holding on to volume up key until this no command page appears. Then after that, press power plus volume up key for the recovery menu. Then use volume keys to navigate through the recovery menu and use power key to select an option. Select factory data reset, and by doing so this will delete all the data on your phone. You can see that the data wipe has been completed. After the data wipe completion, select reboot system now and your phone will reboot. After the reboot, it will take some time to load up, so you have to wait for it. Then when the start page comes up, select your country, your language, tap on next, move on and set up your phone. After completing this setup, you will be able to use your phone normally again. Thanks for watching.